Welcome, everyone. Welcome. We're going to go through a values exercise together. Now would be time to pull out a notebook or sheet of paper. The next slide, we're going to display a bank of keywords. The way I recommend is scanning these words and seeing if you get a reaction, an activation somewhere throughout your body, and write that word down. Pick every single word that resonates with you because you'll have time to edit through the words. If there's a word here that does not, that's missing, that you feel really called to, that you want in your list of potential values, then write that down as well. And we're going to take 3 minutes here, and we'll meet back in 3 minutes to advance to the next phase. All right, so far so good. So let's move on to the next phase here. So in this round, we'll take 3 minutes to group the words that we've wrote down, into 5 categories, however they seem to relate. If you have more than 5 groupings, you can drop the last one. If you end up with less than 5 groupings, that's okay as well. All right, let's set the clock. All right, we're getting closer. So in this next round, we'll take 2 minutes. And from each of the columns you've organized here, you're going to find one word that labels that entire group. That will be those will be your values. And then we'll start working with those values from there. So I'll see you back in 2 minutes with your top 5 values today. Hey, Gato.
Hey, I only have 3 columns, so would I only have 3 values?
You will be working today with 3 values.
Okay.
I think that's totally fine. Why don't you see how that feels, and you can always revisit the exercise later.
Thanks.
So we're going to take a minute here and add a verb to each of your values to make them actionable, so we can start living these values immediately. All right, I hope you guys liking what you're seeing. Scared by it? I don't know. I'm excited to see what you got. All right, so where are we? In the next minute, prioritize these 5 values and action statements. 1 to 5. 1 to 3 in Adarol's case. Okay. So take these 5 action values, these actionable values, because we don't just talk about it, we be about it, and turn it into a mission statement. Do your best. I usually spend some time with this later as well, but just do your best in the next 5 minutes. Whenever you're done with your mission statement, go ahead and throw it in the chat. Oof, I can feel all this power being generated by you all. This power of purpose and intention. My heart's racing. Woo! Got Bronwyn, in order to show warmth to myself and others, I must first take accountability for my actions. Going inward. That's that work. All right, y'all. Thank you for your bravery. We'll close out with our intention, which is my values and my emotions are translators of my inner voice. Tap into the wisdom that is in your body, that is in your emotions, that is in your own ability to articulate what's important to you, and use that as an anchor in joyful times, inspiring creativity, inspiring movements, in difficult times, also providing perspective. Yeah, I'm so grateful to have the access and the resources to be able to share this tool with you all, and I can't wait to hear how you put it to work.